Hello, algebra students. I bet you are confused about the Chapter 7 test that has been put in the Google Classroom, so let me clarify. We're going to clarify everything, all your questions. I realize I posted it, and then I have changed it a little bit. So let's make sure that we are all on the same page about what it is, how it works, everything about it. Yes, let's dig right into it. So, I am posting this on Monday, but it is not due until Friday night. I posted it on Monday. Information has changed since I posted it on Monday. Today is Wednesday. It is due on Friday. You can see all of the information in Google Classroom. I'm just going to go over it again here. So, remember, we are doing future tests in the same way that we raised our test scores at the beginning of the closure. You will do IXL skills to show me you have mastered the content we have learned. What you should submit, and you do need to submit this. If you don't submit it, I don't know what to grade. If you don't submit anything, you get a 0 because I don't know that you've turned it in. So make sure that you submit, and this is what you need to submit. A list of the skills you got to a SMART score of 80. In order to give you points, I need to know which ones to look for under your name in IXL. So, make sure you submit it so that I know what to give you points for. Remember that you must be logged in to your Auburn School District account when you do this. Otherwise, I can't see that you've done it, and you will have to do it again. Yeah. There is no, oh, can you just give me points for it this one time? No. Make sure that you are logged in to your Auburn School District account. And if you forgot how to do that, oh my goodness, this video goes over exactly how to do that. Okay. You must get the SMART score to 80 or above. 78, not gonna count. It must be 80 or above. I have attached the options for which skills you can do. That's what this PowerPoint is right here, and we're gonna go over that. There are 10 skills listed in this document. You only have to do 7 if you want 100%. If you want to pass, you only have to do 5. You can do whichever 7 you'd like. You get to pick. Whatever, if you feel more comfortable with multiplying polynomials, do all the skills about multiplying polynomials, so on and so forth. So, 1 skill to a SMART score of 80. Remember, it has to be to a SMART score of 80. 1 skill gives you 14%. 2 skills gives you 28%. 3 skills gives you 42%. 4 skills gives you 56%. So 4 skills and less, all of that is still a failing grade. 5 skills gets you a C. 6 skills gets you a B. 7 skills gets you an A. So, I would recommend 7 skills, of course. And you can do as many as you want. You can do all of them in the list if you want to. I don't mind. If you do not remember how to use IXL, I've attached that video for you there. But now, let's go over these skills. This says I have attached the options for which skills you can do, and you need to do 7. So, here are all of the skills. Following skills will give you points for the Chapter 7 test. Remember, you must get the skill to a score of 80 or higher, and I'll show you where to look for that. Each skill you do adds 14% to your test grade. So if you do 1 skill, 1 times 14 is 14%. If you do 3 skills to a SMART score of 80, 3 times 14 is 42. You get a 42%. I know that 7 times 14 is 98. We're rounding it up to 100. It'll be fine. Okay, so here are the skills. These 3 slides are all the skills that you can do. There are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 here. Remember, you only need to do 7. If you want to do all of them because you're having fun and you want to test yourself, go for it. And maybe we'll give extra credit for extra skills. Yeah, we'll see about that. But so, 7.1 was Introduction to Polynomials, Add and Subtract Polynomials. So you have Identify Monomials. That's, is this a monomial or not? What does mono mean? Mono means 1. There's a hint for your first skill. Polynomial vocabulary. We went over this in class before we closed. Adding and subtracting polynomials. You should definitely know how to do this one. Definitely know how to add and subtract polynomials. Next, Yeah, next slide, multiplying polynomials. Multiplying a polynomial with a monomial, so that's the distributive property. Multiplying two binomials, this is foiling. Multiplying polynomials, this is a binomial and a trinomial. This is a monomial and a polynomial. It's a mixed hosh-posh of different, yeah, just multiplying all of them, generally. Next, we get to factoring and solving polynomials. So factoring out a monomial, we did that last week. Sort factors of variable expressions. We didn't explicitly do this in any of the homework, but it's not too hard to do, so I figured why not leave an easy skill in there for you to do. You're welcome. Solve a quadratic equation using the zero product property, and factor quadratics with leading coefficient 1. This is what we did on Friday of last week and Wednesday and today of this week, is factoring quadratics with leading coefficient 1. So how you use this document, these are all the skills that you can pick from, and now you say, okay, great, I want to identify monomials. I want to do that. Great, all you have to do is click on this link, and it will take you directly to IXL. Is UV a monomial? Yes, it is, because there's only one term. Great, good work, you're already a smart score of 20. Remember that you must be signed in to get points for this. And if you click on sign in, it says, looking for Auburn School District? Yes. Yes, you are. Sign in here? Yeah, do that. Sign in with Clever? Yeah, let's do that. And then you get to log in with Google? Yes! Yes, we will. And then, bada bing, bada boom, ta-da! We are now in IXL. Yes. So you can do this for any skill. Say you're like, I really want to sort factors of variable expressions. I really want to do that one because Mrs. Dodge said it was easy. Sort the expressions. Factors of 14 times 4 over here. Factors of 13r over here. Cool. Great. And we're logged in, so we're getting credit for it. And this is the number. It's a smart score out of 100. This is the number that needs to be 80 or better. Cannot be 78, needs to be 80 or better. You can go past 80 if you want to. It gets a little bit harder after 80, so that's why I say you only need to get to 80, but you can totally go past if you want to. Yes. Okay. All right. Think. Yeah, so there's your IXL. Here's how to get to the IXL. You just click on these and it gives you a link. I think that's everything we need to talk about. Yeah. If you have questions about any of this, if you're doing the IXL skills and you're like, Mrs. Dodge, what the heck, I don't remember factoring out a monomial, hop on over to office hours every Tuesday through Friday from 12:30 to 3 p.m. I am just sitting in our Google Meet link waiting to help you. And our Google Meet link is in the description of the class. It's right here at the top if you're ever looking for it. Yes, this test was designed for you to already have done all the homework. So if you have done none of the homework and you try to jump into this test, it's going to be hard. Please, do not come complaining to me, this is taking me 5 hours, this is too hard. Watch the YouTube videos, make sure that you have watched all of the YouTube videos, make sure that you've reviewed all of your notes before you try to do these skills. You can use your notes on these, I don't care. Open note, open book, whatever you want. Don't cheat, obviously. Don't like Google the answers, obviously. But if you want to use your notes, I highly encourage it. Hopefully you've been taking notes as you watch the YouTube videos. So yes, review before you take it, just like we always do when we take a test. We always review. Go over your notes, watch the YouTube videos, and if you need to, please come to office hours to talk to me about it. Yeah, awesome. Thank you for watching. I look forward to grading your tests and helping boost your grade. Yeah, have a great rest of your day. Bye.